After installing it from the Google Play Store, open the app and enter the bonus code to receive 400 coins worth $2.50. The first 100 users signing up through the video link get an extra $1. The bonus code is hidden in the video to make it fair. You need $5 to withdraw, meaning you only need to earn $1.50 more. To start playing, click Start Level 1 and follow tutorial videos on gameplay strategies. The goal is to take over enemy banks, use boosters, and win levels. You can multiply earnings by watching short ads. As the levels progress, completing them becomes harder, so using boosters is essential. The first step is capturing gray banks before targeting enemy banks. Attack boosters and defense boosters help in overcoming challenges. Watching ads unlocks boosters, increasing your chances of winning. The game also offers a change booster, which turns banks into strategic units to attack and defend effectively. Using all boosters wisely ensures maximum earnings. Another way to earn with Money Clash is by creating short TikTok or YouTube videos about the app. A 15-45-second video covering app installation and withdrawals earns $2.50. No followers are needed, and more videos mean more earnings. The bonus code rewards users with 400,000 coins, which can be redeemed for cash. To withdraw, click the green dollar icon, choose PayPal or another method, and redeem coins. With 3 million coins, you can withdraw $20. The higher the withdrawal amount, the better the conversion rate. Enter your PayPal details, and funds are credited within 3 to 5 days. The last app on the list is Free Cash. It is a top Get Paid To app where users earn money by installing and playing games.